In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on eBay. If you've received an item that isn't what you expected, perhaps it was damaged or it just doesn't meet your needs, eBay has a system in place to handle returns and refunds that is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser and log into your eBay account. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account, as this will give you access to your purchase history and the specific transactions you need to manage. If you're sharing a computer or device, double check that you've logged out of any other eBay accounts beforehand to avoid confusion. Once you're logged in, navigate to your purchase history. You can usually find this option in the drop-down menu of My eBay. Your purchase history is essentially a record of all the items you've bought, and it's the best place to start when you're seeking a refund. This page will outline everything you've bought, including details like sellers, purchase dates, and payment information. Next, you'll need to locate the item for which you'd like to request a refund. Take your time scrolling through your recent purchases, and once you've found it, click on either Return this item or Request a refund. Both options fundamentally lead you to the same resolution, a possible return or refund of your item, but the exact wording you see might depend on the specific details or policies attached to that purchase. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to select a reason for your return or refund request. Be honest and accurate about why you're unsatisfied with your purchase. Providing specific details helps support your claim and facilitates a quicker response from the seller. Perhaps the item was not as described, arrived damaged, or simply didn't arrive at all. Whatever the case, clarity here can make a big difference. Once you've filled in the necessary information, go ahead and submit your request. This kicks off the refund process and puts the ball in the seller's court. At this point, patience becomes important as the seller needs time to review your request and respond. Remember, good communication is key, so keep an eye on your messages in case the seller reaches out for more information. If your refund request is approved, the next step usually involves following through with the seller's return instructions. This might mean repackaging the item securely and shipping it back within a specified time frame, often including a tracking number as proof of return. Make sure you adhere to any instructions carefully to ensure the process runs as smoothly as possible. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to requesting a refund on eBay. Remember, being informed and precise at each stage will help make this process as stress-free as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made things clearer for you.